Before we jump in, I want to send a huge thank you to YoloLiv for sending me out this camera and lens so that I can check it out. But as always, they don't get to review this video before it goes out, they don't control my opinion, and everything that you're about to hear is 100% my real world experience using this camera. And today we're talking about the YoloCam S7 with the 18mm f1.4 lens. This camera feels like YoloLiv looked at the creator landscape and said, what if we made a webcam and gave it real camera features? The big thing here is that it's a 4K 60 streaming camera with a micro four thirds sensor and an interchangeable micro four thirds mount. You can actually change the lenses, control your depth of field, all while getting the highest image quality. So you're not stuck with that typical webcam look. It also has real-time autofocus, including YoloLiv's time-of-flight autofocus system. This is perfect for creators recording themselves, live streaming, teaching, or doing product demos. You can be confident that you'll be sharp and in focus. You also get USB and HDMI outputs. This is huge because this means that you can connect it as a simple plug-and-play webcam, but also have the capability of connecting to much larger setups, including switchers, video capture cards, or even a YOLO box. And because this camera is designed for long streaming sessions, it has built-in heat dissipation for 24/7 use, which matters because a camera is basically useless if it shuts off on you due to overheating. So for me, the YoloCam S7 sits in a really interesting spot. It's not just a webcam, and it's not your traditional mirrorless camera either. This camera sits in uncharted territory for creators who are looking for higher image quality, interchangeable lenses, autofocus, 4K 60, and a cleaner livestream workflow without having to build out a crazy camera rig or sacrifice their favorite camera to a studio setup. And that's what makes this camera very exciting. Another cool thing about this camera being micro four thirds is that it opens the doors to adapting a bunch of different vintage lenses. So I actually designed my own micro four thirds to M42 adapter so that I can use my vintage glass with the YoloCam S7. If you want one for yourself, I made the STL file completely free to download over on my website, mrcamerajunkie.com, so that you can 3D print your own and start experimenting with vintage lenses today. This is where you like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. My name's Luis, also known as Mr. Camera Junkie, and I will see you next time. Talk to you. And I want to give a special thanks to the junkies who support me through channel memberships.